Okay, hello. I hope everything is working. But today I will be continuing Human Resource Machine, which is a visual-based like programming puzzle thing. I don't know how well I'll do. I'm not gonna lie, the last few puzzles were a struggle. And there's still a lot more puzzles to do, so we'll see how that goes. Hello poggers. Welcome back. I'm sorry I couldn't say bye to you last stream on Saturday. I was a little preoccupied, but hello, welcome back. Yeah, so I shall jump into it. Oh, well, I guess I'll quickly mention that I think the stream is going to be only like 2 hours. My brain is kind of a little fried and I haven't even done any puzzles yet today. Oh, but we'll see. Maybe I will get a burst of energy midway through or something. Without further ado, here, that one. Okay, everything seems to be working. So, I hope I'm not too far in the way. Part of me wants to not go this route and just go up, but I don't know. Do you know Zenless Zone Zero? Is that like another gacha game that I've seen ads for it everywhere? And let's see. I kind of don't want to do this route. Can I just skip it? Will I still be able to see the story? Let's go to the littlest number. To reduce our carbon footprint, management is requesting the smallest numbers only. This is a public relations exercise. The results are going straight to the landfill. Okay, the littlest number. I hope audio is okay, like everything looks good though on my side. For each zero terminated string in the inbox, send the outbox only the smallest number you've seen in that string. You will never be given an empty string. Reset and repeat for each string. What is a zero terminated string? Go ask your boss on the previous floor. A zero terminated string. So that means when it hits zero, it's terminated and it restarts again. Yeah, I understand that. So I have to essentially keep grabbing until 0. So I can put, like, get the first number. If 0. Yeah, if it's 0, then you want to jump somewhere. So if it's 0, then you want to just throw it out and get a new one. Yeah, okay. And if it's not 0, it will keep going. And we can put it... We can go like, copy to. Sure. Copy to... Can I change this number? I don't know if I can. But how do I compare it? And then I can go jump to here, so we can get another one. Copy to that one, and then you can compare the two. So I can go subtract. And then if the subtraction is negative, I forget which one is subtract, or which one I'm subtracting from. So it's like 0 minus 1. So if it's negative, that means 1 is greater. So if negative, then you want to jump to... Oh, you want to save that, I guess. Then I can throw out whatever is in 0. If negative, then get... You can go to inbox. Yeah. If negative, you can go to inbox, grab another one. And how do I check if that one is 0? I do that. Okay, I'm gonna throw that one away. Let's try this first. It's gonna be wrong, of course. Oh, okay. So that's just all wrong. So if it's copy to 0, so I need to not jump here. I'm gonna throw that one out. That one. So if it is 0, it will jump back up here, get an inbox, copy to 0, get an inbox, subtract. And if this one is 0, let's jump back up here. Yeah. It's a lot of if statements. The 7, 13. So we have a positive. So, okay, 7, 13. Well, wait, let's play this again. So we put 8 and 0. Okay, so it's 1 minus 8. Or 1 minus the 1 box minus the 0 box. Let's put... I forgot how to comment. Oh, there. This one? Oh, there we go. Alright. So we can put second number. So we put bear. I'm gonna draw a bear. And in its belly, I'm gonna have number 2. You like my bear? Okay. And then... Oh. Why is that one that one? Okay. Yeah. So this will be the first number. We can put a little bear as well. Put it like 1. Zell, hello! Hello, welcome. Thank you for the raid. Hold on, let me give you a shout out. Oh, that's not how I do it. Oops. How's the stream? How have you been? Chained Together. I've seen a lot of people playing that. Whoa, Pudding and Pop. Hello, thank you for the raid. Were you also playing Chained Together? I can't spell. Okay. I still need to get better at doing this. Yes. Okay. I love your name. Thank you. I am currently trying to solve puzzles, but I shall give an introduction. Hello everyone, I am Blueberry. I am a failed engineer VTuber, so I have a human soul with a robot-ish body because I failed to make a friend, like a robot friend, and I play a lot of puzzle games, a lot of management games, farming games, and anything that's cute or like cozy, I will enjoy. Right now, I'm just naming these, can't see my mouse. Hold on, let me bring my mouse back. So right now, I'm trying to allocate memory. And I can label the memory as something, so I drew bears for them, because I like bears. Alright, oh, there we go, my cursor's back. Hello. So here it is. So I'm trying to figure out how to place the smallest number in the outbox, and in order to do that, I will probably need to like compare and subtract. My middle sister likes bears, and Pop's like bunny, and Pop likes bunnies. That's so cute. I also like bunnies. I like rats. Okay, not like rats, but you know, like rats. I don't know. I think rats can be cute. Mice, yeah, but like it's more fun to call them rats. Like chunky rats. New York City rats. Those things are huge. Terrifying. So, yeah, my favorite animal is bears. I think my second would be cats. My third would be bunnies. Fourth would be mice, rats, like rodents. I like rodents. And then I also like jellyfish because they don't have any brain, or they don't have a brain, just like me. Anyway. So I get a number, I put it into the memory. You subtract, so that's positive. I like doing this part in steps. So if this number is greater than that one, it will have a positive number, which means I want to get rid of what's in 1. So I can get an inbox. I can copy 2 and replace that. And if it's 0, we want to terminate the string, so that means we just start again. And then if that value is negative, I need to output something, but I don't know what I'm supposed to output just yet. We'll see. I hope. What's Billy Bus? Is that like a game? Or not a game. Is that like a mode in this? I don't know what that is. 1. We have 10. And then we replace the largest number. Yes, it's a game. Oh, okay. We have 2. So I guess I can put, well, no, then it would run like that. I can't put output before this. Wait, can you explain this one more time? I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what I'm doing either. But that's part of the joy. Sort of. You like torturing yourself. So for this task, I'm supposed to find the littlest number, which means I will take in values up until I get a 0. So 0 will terminate the string. And then I'm supposed to output only the smallest value. So in this case, we can see like the string is 5, 10, 1, and then the termination is 0. So I need to output 1, but I need to like compare them, and I can only use addition, subtraction. I can only find if it's 0 or negative, and basically using these commands, I have to output 1, and I'm gonna struggle to do that. Hello, welcome, Barry, Yay Education sort of time with Barry. I don't know, this is like... I'm a bit confused. Seems difficult. The thing is, I used to know how to code. This is not exactly coding. It's still like programming based puzzles, but yeah. I'm very confused. Me too. Do not worry. I don't know what I'm doing. Sometimes the best way to do is just click, and if it works, it works. It may not be the most efficient, but if it works, it works. So so earlier I kind of did it correctly. So I found which number is larger and I replaced it, then I subtract it. And if it's negative, I will jump up here. But if it's positive, I guess I need to outbox it. Well, then I have to, if it's negative, yeah, okay. If it's negative, it'll replace everything. So that will work. Well, no, not exactly. If it's negative, I have to outbox. That's not good. We can put the negatives later at the bottom. I agree, like FPS, you shoot and hope you hit something. Absolutely. That's the spirit. I'm not even gonna lie, in engineering, half of the time that's what you're doing. You're just trying everything until something seems to work, sort of, or barely work. And if negative, outbox. If not, I just keep getting values. And then I will just keep comparing. So I need to do the same as earlier, so let's subtract with bear number 2. Sorry. Nope. Bear number 2. And if it's negative, that means that is the smallest number. So I just need to outbox it later. We have 5, 10, 1. Okay, so that part works. If negative... Oh no, I have to get the other one too. I have to get 3 values. Because, like, what if the next value is a 0? Or what if the next value is smaller? I can't just keep going if it's negative. Okay, I'm doing this wrong. So if it's not negative, I can jump all the way down here. And I will need the same thing. Or if you're bad at FPS, then it's like Dead by Daylight. As a killer, swing your weapon and hope you hit. Absolutely. I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what I'm doing. But I still try. If negative. If it's negative, then that means that one's a smaller number. But you still have to get the next number. And if it's positive, then you can replace the other one. Okay, let's do that. So if this is positive, and then if it's negative, then you can keep... Wait, no, I'm doing this wrong. Let's run it again, let's see how it is. So I place 5, place 15. So of course 5 is the greater number, don't touch anything, or smaller number. I replace that one. Okay, it's negative. Okay, I'm gonna throw that one out. So if it is negative, I keep saying it because the more I say it, the more I'm gonna understand, I think. I think that's how you work. Let's see. If it's negative, I will take the number, I will copy from the outbox 1 and copy to this one. And let's call this... Oh, how do I do this? Oh, there we go. Bear number 3. Or should I draw a bunny? I drew 2 bears. Let's draw a bunny. There we go. That's oh. Okay. Then we'll put a 3 on the stomach. It's a little bunny. How's my artwork? Do you like it? Can you tell what it is? Nice, good work. Thanks. Okay, and then I have to do the same thing. So I will subtract number 1 this time. So if it's negative, I can take this one value, copy it over to 3. Oh, I have to inbox something. And then copy 2. I have to subtract from 1 and 3, yeah, and then I'll do the same thing. So if then I can simply just do this and bring it back here. I don't know if that's gonna work. We'll see. 9 and 11. So we get that. Okay. Okay, slowly. We're making slow progress. Slow progress. Oh, I need to do the if 0. So if 0, I should actually be outboxing some stuff. So if 0, then we copy to, what was it, 3? Oh, copy from the bunny, and then outbox that. And then jump back to the beginning. 9, 10. Okay, so 9's the smaller one, but then we have 2. That's negative. We grab that, copy that. Okay. Slowly, it's coming together. This is so many lines of code. Or commands. I guess they aren't really code, but it's coming together slowly. 5, 13. I feel like it's gonna break on the next string, but we'll see. 1. That one. Next one's 0. Okay. Just grab that one. Is it gonna break? 12. The 12's the smaller one at the moment. 9. Okay. Place that there. 0. 9. Ooh. Okay, so it did break. It was because the number subtracted became 0, and that's why it jumped. So, how do I think about this? When I subtracted the 2 values, you get 0. Right? Oh, by the way, if anyone would like to backseat game for like these sort of games, I don't mind. If you see me like stuck on something for more than 10 minutes, feel free to just start backseating me if you know how to solve, or you think you know how to solve stuff. You know, I love discussing other people's mindsets, and for something like this, there's never like one way to do anything. So yeah, feel free if you would like to participate in the logic or understanding this. So, my issue was when I subtracted it, was 0. Right? I subtracted it. And then it picked up something. But I should have gotten... Let's play it again. Let's see what happens. Sure. So what's going on is that what part works? We have 9. Just get the 9 one, copy that one there. 3. Oh, okay, okay. So this one is the mistake. I am copying the same value in number 1 twice. And I shouldn't be doing that. But I do want to place the new number in the inbox. Oh, I see. So this should not be... This should be 3. I should be subtracting from the bunny location. 5. Okay, let's see if the second string works. We have 11 as a smaller number, takes that, puts that one down there. Okay. 9, place that one there. Next one should be a 0, yeah, take that number. Alright, alright. It's working, it's working. Let's see if these numbers work. What? I think it broke itself? Oh, it absolutely broke itself? It should be putting down 19, but it's not. Yeah. Okay, so when there are very large numbers, I need to clear them somehow. So let's rerun this again. I can go a little bit faster for the beginning. And just look at it again, and let's try to find my mistake. We have... Oh no! Why did I pause it? I meant to, like, step. Okay. So we can step through that, take the 3. And jump back all the way up. So this is a process called debugging. So where you go step by step and you can add test benches, but luckily we don't actually have to do that here. Like in real coding, you have to put test benches to output what you want to see. I get 2. I put that there and I go back and get another number. 52. I copy that to the bear number 1 location. Hello, welcome. Get that number so it's positive. Still positive. And it's getting the wrong value. So if it's still positive, I can sort of see what's going on. So I'm subtracting these two, but number 2 is the smaller number, and because of that, it's outputting a positive number, but it's still going through here, which it shouldn't be. please explain this game? All right, so this game is like a visual puzzle programming game, sort of. It's kind of like a mix of Scratch, and it teaches you about like memory allocation, and these are your sort of like commands, and these are your if statements. So you're given 2 if statements to use. You get your memory from the in box, and then you output your memory from the out box. Here's sort of like an array of memory that you can use. And for this specific problem, I need to output the smallest number in a string, and the string is terminated by the value of 0. Yeah, so that's what's going on here. This is not the most efficient way, but as I said, this sort of game, when it comes to tougher puzzles, feel free to discuss in the chat, and feel free to backseat me if I'm just like not seeing something that I should be seeing right in front of me. Let's see. So my mistake is that I am not jumping correctly. So this is the positive one. So if 2 is positive, so I have it correct when I subtract them and they're negative, but when, for example, if, what was I going to say? Okay, if memory location of the bear 1, so I named them kind of weirdly. I named them bear 2, bear 1, and bunny 3, and that's, I drew these images. I know they're beautiful. So what happens is, my mistake is that when I subtract these 2, so it goes bear 1 minus bear 2. If it's positive, it is breaking my sort of commands because I don't have it properly done. It will just simply go through here. I should make its own. I should make another one. So instead of that, I could wait, no, if it's positive, then this one's the biggest number. So why am I copying this number to 3? So if it's negative, oh, that's because I have this jump. Okay, so I need to basically make another one. Copy from 1, yeah, and then copy to number 3. What happens if you win? I have no idea. There's like, there's many levels, and I don't know what happens if I win or anything like that. I think if you finish the game, there's like an overall story to it. But yeah, I don't really know what's happening. Copy from to put 3. Then I could sub from 3. And then I guess I could jump here. Let's try that. Let's see what happens. I hope it doesn't break my other previous commands. But we'll have to see. So, of course, 9 is the smaller one. Negative. No. No. It broke it. Okay. Let's go slowly, one at a time. So you put down the 4, it's not a 0, so it will copy to, it will take the value that it just got from the inbox, copy it to the memory location of 1. So you get a subtract, so that's a 6, and you know that 1 is greater than the bear 1 is greater than bear 2 because it is positive. So when you subtract, if it's positive, it should go to here, so it should not jump. That's not a 0. If it is 0, it'll jump up to the top and restart the entire code. It will copy that into section 1. Subtract. Copy from 2. Oh, is this subtraction wrong? Okay, let's try that again. Click. That part's fine. That part's also fine. You have 4. That's positive. It will keep going. Oh, it's 0. Okay. Keep going. I think I broke it again. Maybe. I definitely broke it. I broke my code. I broke my code. How do I undo that? So if it is positive, it will go into here. Right? No, if negative, it'll jump. Yeah. So if negative, it'll just immediately jump here. If it's positive, it will go through here. We have... subtract. Oh boy, what did I do? I can't even remember what I did. I think this was subtract the different value. Let's try that. So we have 7. Get a new value. Copy to 1. Because if it's positive, then that means number 1 is a greater value. Yeah. Yeah. And if it's negative, okay, so this should be copy from 1. Stop. My brain hurts. Mine does too. There we go. Okay, I'm currently fixing my code that I have messed up. So that's positive. It will keep going. No. Oh, wait, no, it's correct. Okay. Take that one. That one there. I don't know why I'm subtracting again. I think I should have just gotten the other value. So this subtraction is not needed at the moment. It had a purpose for something, but I don't know what I had it do. And this is why you should always write your comments, but I don't write my comments. Okay, place the 1. So it's placing the 1 again here for some reason. Copy to that. Doesn't need to. So if it is 0, it should just go to outbox. If it is not 0, why am I copying it again here? It should just simply be copy from. Okay, we get 1, place it in the box 1, get the second one, subtract. We know that 5 is, or 8 is greater or smaller. Take that, we have a negative value, place that one down. So that's not right, because I need to grab something. Why are you not jumping here? I should be grabbing the second value, or the third one. It's been 40 minutes. I still haven't solved the first puzzle of the day. Oops. Oh, okay. So if I have a subtraction... So the subtraction is here. So I need an if negative here. Subtract from 2. So I need an if negative. Jump to here, right? If is negative, then that means number 1 is smaller. Okay, I need to get better at this. I need to get better at remembering things. I keep forgetting what subtracts what. So if it's subtract 2, then it goes... It takes whatever number it's holding and then subtracts it. Oh! That's not negative, so it should grab another number. So it was holding whatever number this was. So that's why if it's positive, it will just go through this. Okay, that makes sense. And it shall replace number 1. Yes. So it's holding number 1. So if negative, we can take the first value, copy from this one and copy to this one. Okay, I think that's what I did earlier. Yeah, 14. So of course 5 is smaller. So that's a negative number. Okay. Check if the next number is 0. Yeah, okay, copy from the outbox, which we have like copied it twice. So we copied the bear 1 to bear 3 because if it's negative, then bear 1 is smaller than bear 2. You can copy it to bunny 3 and then place it in the outbox. That's one of them. And then on the next one, it like breaks. Because I don't have it correctly when... I don't have it correctly when the numbers are positive. Copy from 1, copy to 3. Then we can go inbox. Oh, I see, okay. Inbox we can copy to number 2. And then repeat the entire process again. So... where's number 2? That's not the correct one. Oh, wait. I see. I can jump back here, go all the way up, jump to... where was it? Copy to 2. The first one... That's not correct. Oh, up here. Oh, thanks for the follow. I appreciate it. Sorry, this is not the most riveting gameplay, but it truly gets my brain going. Okay. That one, I'm pretty confident that we got the first string of numbers correct. Oh, okay. Never mind. We don't want to have the first string of numbers correct. Never mind. I don't have the first string of numbers. So this one should not be a jump then. It should be like that. Let's flip the two. I hope I'm gaining brain cells. I think I'm becoming smarter, I believe. Well, I hope so. I hope I'm getting brain cells. Sometimes when I do these things, I just realize how dumb I am. Like, in all seriousness. When I play games like this, I'm like, truly a lack of brain cells. Okay, that was so inefficient, but, I mean, it works. Like, I don't know what's going on here, and I think it just barely passes the second. I have a feeling it will not pass this. Unless it will. Yeah, I don't know what that shuffling around is. Okay, yep. That one would have failed. Because I need to save something. I need to save something and compare it to section 3. So even though I place it in like the bunny memory location, which is this one. Copy to 3. Okay, I don't think I need this. What is this one? So if negative. So if I have this, I should subtract something. I should subtract a number. So that means I'm copying it from number 1. So it will go through, and if it's not 0, it will jump to copy to 2. Which actually, I don't really want them to copy to 2. I need to somehow compare these values. So if I go from here, yeah, I only have a comparison of subtracting 2. So I need to subtract some value. So if I'm holding if I'm holding 3 and I can subtract that by 1, or I can subtract that by this, and if that one is if that one is 3, wait, subtract here, let me think. If I subtract these two, I'm holding 3. I'm subtracting by 2. So that means it would be... Would it be 2 minus 3 or 3 minus 2? I don't know. And if that is negative, then we can do something about that one. Maybe don't make it a loop, but remake the code 3 times for the final change so the bunny doesn't get affected for the last one. I could do that, but that's not good coding practice. I mean, granted, this is not good coding practice either, but generally you want to make something that works for all code. Gotta try all the codes, absolutely. Like I could, so your method is something called hard coding, where you don't make loops. So let's say you want to repeat a line of code for 10 times. Instead of putting it in a for loop or whatever, or a while loop with an exit, you just write the thing 10 times, which could work, but not the best. And also, I'm in too deep with this. But thank you for the suggestion. I believe your suggestion is very valuable because I've done that before, natural coding things, because I just got lazy. And I didn't want to code loops. But, you know, this is a little puzzle, so I'm gonna try to not hard code things. Although I kinda am already. So if negative, if this one is negative, then I should like copy something from something and compare those. But I don't know what to do for that. We're gonna put that down here for now, just because it's convenient to place it there. Would you like to, after the stream, look up Zenless Zone Zero to see if you want to stream it? It's like I said, it's another gacha game, and I'm not super into gacha games. Something happened. It was booted out. And that's because okay, that's not what I wanted. Get that value. It's 2. Subtract. If negative, so it is, we'll jump all the way to here. Oh, I see. And if 0, copy from 3, but there isn't one. So I always need a copy. Number 1 from 2. So if negative, I go down here. I should copy 2. I should copy the memory location from 1. Yeah, let's try that. Copy from memory location of 1. And then we can copy this one to the 3rd one. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna work. Step back. So everything was fine. So we got that one. So I grab from the inbox. I will copy to that one. That number's not 0. Oh, wait, I see. I see a mistake here. I'm jumping up. I should be jumping all the way down, but that's okay. I'll figure it out later. Place that one, subtract. We have 6, so obviously 10 is smaller. So copy from 1, copy to 3. No, I don't need to subtract. At least not now. So that's where my mistake here. This subtract is messing things up. And secondly, if this one is 0, I should just be outputting 2. So we can copy. Oh, I can just. No, yeah, copy from to output outbox. And for these ones, it should just jump up. Yeah. And then I can put a jump all the way at the end to jump all the way up for the other things. So let's see. So that one works fine. It's this one. You have 16. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay, I see. So I am... Man, I'm struggling with this one. Oh. So there's something going on here. So I'm getting a 0 and it is stopping. Oh, that's from here. I see. So if I get a 0 here, then I guess I should jump to... Oh, no, what did I do? I'm getting a 0 here if 0. Then I should just copy it again. No, if it's 0, then I should take the smallest value, right? Which means... I don't want to copy to anything. Up here? It's just wrong. I keep messing things up. Sure. I think it's gonna break the second time. Place there. At 2. 11. Of course, 11's smaller. At least that one. Okay, I don't know what's going on there. Okay, that one actually worked, but it worked incorrectly. So what's happening is it's comparing the two, but it's not correctly comparing. Like, it's just ignoring some stuff in the middle somewhere. Okay, so I get that one. That one's not 0. I copy to baird number 2. It's not 0. So I get that one. So 7's positive, so that means it will go into here. And I want to get rid of the larger number, which in this case is 1, or memory location of 1. Then I take 7 and subtract that by 2. So that means 7 is the largest number, or the smaller number, not larger number. Take that, copy it, place that down. I go here, that number is not 0, so I will jump back up again to 2. That's 4. And what is happening is that I'm not keeping the number 7. So that one, it works. Oh, it just threw it out. Never mind. Go back. So I got it from the inbox. This one, it just threw out the number and restarted. Okay. So if 0, then I should... This one. If 0, I should go back all the way down here. Copy from this. You plan to end the stream after this. I don't know. I was going to stream for 2 hours. So, we'll see. If this one puzzle takes me 2 hours, then I guess technically yes. I hope it doesn't. There are so many more levels after this, and this game is going to take me a long time to finish. Okay, now let's go in debug mode. So we have that as positive. Oh, okay, if that one is positive, it shouldn't be going to the inbox. It should be taking number 2. Right? Oh no, it's fine. Actually, it'll just replace 14. Subtract it again, so we have 7. Copy from 1. That in there. And get another one. It's not 0, so we can jump all the way back up here. Although it should not be this. I think this one should be copy to... No, copy to 2 is fine. Oh, it's getting rid of the 7. Like I said earlier, my 7 is the problem, or my memory 3. I have it saved, which is good. But I need to somehow ingrain or have it so that I can subtract or can compare 1 or 3 and 1. So if I have copy to this, I can put inbox. And once again, it's jumping out of it, which it shouldn't be. So once I place down the 4, oh, I see. So this, I should be comparing something to something. So maybe I don't put it there. I put here. Yeah, let's try that. But I somehow have to compare 3 and 1. Memory location layer 1 and bunny 3. Okay, so that part's working. A positive number. We have 9. Subtract the 2. It is now negative. Copy from 1. Put that there. Go into the inbox again. It will jump and it should copy to 1. Sure, that works. Okay, so here is where I should be comparing. Sort of. Compare. So if this subtract. So I am holding 1. So I can do 1 minus 3. And if 1 minus 3... So if the 1 is negative, or if it's negative, that means the 1 is smaller. So if negative, that means the 1 is smaller. Then we can go here. Right? I think. Maybe the huge numbers needs to be destroyed. I wish. I wish I could just... I don't want to do this anymore. Well, I mean, I guess I chose this. $10, $15, so 10 should be there. 9, replace that one. $4. Yep. Okay. Okay. Slowly, slowly. I think we're getting there. $42, smaller. Oh, I can't grab from number 2, can I? Yeah. I see. So I can compare and as long as that one is bigger. However, if what's happening is I can't copy from 2 and bring it to 3. But that's okay, because that one I think I can fix relatively quick. Copy from 2, subtract. So if it is negative, it's not. And if it's not, then I can... Wait, if it's negative, that means 2 is smaller. So if it's negative, I can go down here. So what's this? If it's negative... Oh my gosh, I have so much stuff here. Just make a new one. Why not? So if it's negative, I need to copy from 2 instead of 1. And there's a lot of spaces. if negative, copy from 1. Copy 2 there. There we go. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let's see what happens. One puzzle. It's been over an hour. Oh no. Oh no. I broke it. I broke it. Try it again. Same thing. Copy from 1, copy from 2. Subtract the 2 as positive, so we'll go down here. Place that one there. Oh, I switched the 2. Okay. Yeah, oops. I switched them. Uh-huh. Okay, I messed up. So after this, it is immediately jumping to zeros. Or it's just jumping to the outbox for some reason. This jump? Is this jump correct? I can't even see it anymore. It's jumping to the outbox. Okay. This jump should not be here. Instead it should be here. I think. Yes. Let's try that. Put it here. -2, so that means 2 is smaller. Place that one there. 1. Jump all the way to the top. Restart. So here we have okay, subtract the 2. We have 1 being smaller, copy that to 3. We have 3. So obviously 3 is smaller. Okay, if negative, copy from 1, 3. Then we go to the next inbox. I think I'm getting it. If that one's 0, we go back to here, switch. We put that in the outbox. Restart the process again. I have way too many loops. That's okay. I'm sure there's like a way to make this more optimized. Oh no. I need to clear that. 24. Where's the 24 come from? I just subtracted it. Oh, never mind. Okay, let's go back. So I have the 3 from, like, the previous problem, right? Yes, I do. We put, like, 27. if negative. Copy from 1. 27. Oh, now it's subtracting. Oh, that shouldn't be there. Oh, how do I do this? Let's see, I have 27, but it's subtracting from 3, but the thing is the 3 is there. But at the same time, I can't just like delete the old 3s, because then that will mess up everything from earlier. I could use another memory location. Let's do that. Let's make another memory location. Let's put... Oh. I want to put that in... Nope. I want to put it at 7. Try this. Then I don't know what I'm going to do with the 7. Or what am I going to do with it when I place the memory location in the 7? I failed that? I ruined... I don't think this is right. That kind of works for now, but not for the last part. The place is 60. Of course, the 2 is smaller. Yeah, okay, so it's messing up here as well. So we can go... We subtract 2 in that one, and if it's not... Oh no, how do I do this? Subtract this. And if that one is negative... then I can... just keep going? And if it isn't, then leave it like that. Oh boy. So I can't even do that, because then this becomes an issue. Because I don't have anything in 1. We can also copy to 7, I guess. That's where I put that. I'm slowly giving up. I might just Google it. No. No, it's not. Alright, I give up. I'm gonna Google it. Right, how do I delete this? Clear. Goodbye. Goodbye all of my work. Okay, let's trash that. Let's clear everything. Let's redo everything. So, I have. Looking at solutions is another good way to learn. I mean, what do they call, like, coders, professional Googlers, you know? You got close. I don't think I got close. I'm looking at the solutions right now. I'm not even anywhere near close. Okay, we have inbox, copy to that. What? Okay, we have inbox, copy to bear, location 2. Second one, 0. If it's 0, we can jump somewhere. So we'll just leave that for now. That's what the solutions say. Subtract. Subtract from this. So that's what you're holding. And then if negative, so they're still comparing the two, alright? So if negative, oh, okay, I see. They're using add as well. And then copy to. Wait, yeah? Yeah, if negative. Jump to here, actually. Oops. If negative, jump to here. And then I add it back in. That way you can get the original value. And then... copy to, and then jump to... jump to here. Yeah. So what do I do if it's negative? It'll go here. And if it's not negative, it will simply go back up to here. And then, if it's 0, then I can copy from this. Outbox it, and then jump again. This is how simple the solution is. Yeah, okay. Let's try it out. Let's see if I can even do this correctly. We have 7. So they use the addition to get the thing. They're not just comparing. That is a smart way to do it. So if you like subtract the two, the difference when it's negative is just the addition. Oh, that is a smart way to do this. So if it's positive, you don't even bother, just jump back there. And if it's negative, you can take that, subtract that, so you get the original value of, or the smaller value of 4. And that is the solution. It is 13 lines of code. Yep. You know, I don't think I'm gonna solve this. Some things are just better to be left unsolved. I'll try the cumulative countdown and let's see if we can get to like the coffee break room. And let's see if I can do this. I think it's something about calculating the volume beneath the staircases. I have to put the intern somewhere. For each thing in the inbox, outbox the sum of itself plus all numbers down to 0. For example, if inbox is 3, the outbox should be 6 because 3 plus 2 plus 1. Alright. So... I think I can do this. Think positively. Then positive attitude. That's what's needed in coding. Because if you don't have it, you will absolutely lose your mind. Have I lost my mind? Who knows? Okay, so I get the inbox. I can copy to that. I can add it with itself, I guess. Oh no, I shouldn't add it with itself yet. Should I add it with itself? Yeah, let's add that with itself. And then I can copy that to this one. So we still have the original number in the area of that one. I can subtract that. Then hold number 1. And then add that. Add from 0. And then just keep redoing. And then I can put that back to copy to 1. So let's try... Oh, nope, not a bump. Oh, it is a bump. Okay, so this is not correct. This should be a bump down. Happy accidents, as they say. And then, if the bump down is 0, add. Okay, if bump down is 0, I can go all the way back to inbox. Let's try this. Let's see what happens for add itself. Make sure we have 8. Oh, okay. Wait, what's 8? So we have 8 plus... So that was 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 is 11. No, I was okay. 6. Okay. Oh, I got an outbox. Oops. If 0. Copy from 1. And outbox that. Then I simply jump again. Whoa, wrong one. Wrong one. Okay, 8. 3. I feel like I'm making this a lot more complicated than it should be. How did I get 14? Let's go back. All the way back. So I got 4. Place that there. I add itself. Take that, bump it down. Get 3. Copy from 1. You add that, so you get 11. I jump. Copy to 1. Copy from 1. Add 13. So it's 4, 3, 2, 1. Copy 2. Down 1. Oh, I see. It's not 4 plus 4. It should be. This should not be here. I should not be adding itself. I've been thinking, I'm like, isn't that correct? I shouldn't be adding itself to itself again. There we go. I think this works. Oh, okay. And if this is 0, we can simply just outbox. Yeah, I think that'll work. Six. Maybe I should slow it down. I have 0. I should just outbox 0. Okay, correct. Edge cases. Remember to test your edge cases. Is it bumping it down incorrectly? I forgot what the original number was for this one. Well, there we go. That one was a whole lot faster. I probably didn't do any of these. Whoa, 12 or less? That's way much, a lot more. Okay, so we can make it to the coffee break story. Let's see. It's cloudy. Is that a ghost? What's going on here? Oh, it's not a ghost. It's just someone drinking coffee. Working at night? Is that the moon? I think that's the moon. I have no idea what's happening. That's an eye of a robot. Oh my gosh. Are we in a robot? Because previously, I guess the storyline of this, there's a tad bit of a storyline, is that like robots took over the city or something. Okay. Still gotta work, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna skip these. I'm not gonna do them on stream. I think I'm gonna rage if I did those. I kind of want to figure out what end values there are. I mean, not end values, what the end story is. Big changes are coming, but I see you already know that. I got so much older. My little character got a lot older as the levels pass. Yes, you can now access slots directly on the floor. I mean, hold on, I can't read. Yes, you can now access slots on the floor indirectly. What does that mean? You will see. It's going to change everything. Oh, I can grab things from the slots, imagine each thing in the inbox is an address, okay? And each address refers to a title 0 to 9, okay, like an array or vector, sure. Your task for each address in the inbox, pick up the letter at the address and outbox it. Congratulations, you can now access tiles on the floor indirectly. Observe this example to see how it works compared to what you're doing so far. Example, okay, let's see. Okay, so if I take the number, so I go copy from 8 and I use the little bracket, I can get the value in 8. Ah, this is exactly like arrays. Let's see. So if I inbox that, I copy 2, we can do it one at a time. Yeah, let's try this. Okay, copy 2. So there will be 7. I can copy from 7. And then just outbox that and then jump. Is this it? I'm a tad bit confused, not gonna lie. Okay. Or this is like an example level. Go to 6. Okay, I guess that is the level. String storage floor. Oh boy, strings. You're 30. Special covert assignment. Management is requesting strings from the floor. Let's process the strings. And not read or discuss anything they say. It would be impolite to read messages intended for someone else. And forbidden. Alright, so you know what we're gonna do. We're gonna read it. Each thing in the inbox is an address of the tile on the floor. For each address provided in the inbox, outbox the requested items from the floor and all following items on the floor until you reach 0? What? So I don't understand what they're asking. Each thing in the inbox is an address of a title on the floor. Sure. For each address provided in the inbox, okay, so this is our address. Outbox the requested item from the floor and all following items on the floor. On the floor until you reach 0. Do they mean I just do this until 0? We can put that at 24. And we can copy from the value of 24. And if this is 0, just repeat it. Until all following items reach 0. I don't really know what they're getting, or they're asking. Oh, I forgot to jump. I forgot to loop. I forgot to loop this. My bad. Let's try this again. Oh, I should go to 4. H. What's H? Why did they expect H? Huh? 4. T. So why is it saying I need to output H, which is 5? Where does that come from? Each thing in the inbox is an address of the tile floor. For each address provided in the inbox, outbox, the requested item from the floor, and all following items. Following. Oh, I see. I see. So we have 4. We outbox that. Okay. And we can bump all the way to 0. If 0, then jump out, bump, and then we can go copy from the 24. Let's try this for now. See what happens. Oh wait. If not, then I shall just simply loop. Not that one. Loop here. We'll see what happens. 4 goes to 4. 3. Oh. Also, it should not be a bump. Sorry, it should be an increase. Should be an increase. An increase. An increase until it hits 23. So how the heck do I do that? Let's try this for now. Can't bump with a letter. Oh. I don't know how I'm gonna bump. G. Let's try that again. I went too fast. Beginning is fine. Oh, if this is 0. I should simply bump again. I have 2 jumps, so one of them can go away. I meant to say if the inbox is 0. And this can also go away. I don't know what I'm gonna do when I get to 23 though. Your output. Oh, okay. So if it is 0, I need to do it again. No, what am I doing? If 0. Bump up 24, so this is correct. Expected E. Where is the E coming from? I don't get it. What are you trying to do? I don't understand the question. I thought you wanted to like just keep on increasing. So what is E? So you made me get T, which is 4. You made me get 5, which is H. And you made me get E, which I don't even understand. Is it because I'm supposed to do 4, 5, 4, 1, 2? I'm genuinely confused on what they're asking. I'm very confused. I don't know why they want a T or an E. Is anyone here in chat? Does anyone know what to do? I can feel my brain slowly melting away. I can't even understand the question. Oh, when they say 0, do they mean the floor is 0? Because if so, that changes a lot. I thought they meant like 0 in the input, so maybe not. Is that what they're trying to do? I'm just as lost as you are. Thanks for making me feel not alone. I appreciate it. Sometimes when like no one's chatting, I'm like, oh boy, I must be the only idiot here. Let's see though. I think it means if I hit a 0 here, I'm supposed to go to the next one. Right? So that means I should keep the 0. So let's say if I get a 0 on 24, I should be getting G, and I should be outboxing that. So that means I need to check if this one is 0. Oh boy. Oh boy. If 0. See that one, you outboxed. And then... So if it's not 0, then you outbox that. You bump it up. You keep going. And then if this one is... You bump up... You can... What am I doing? Okay. You can bump up and... copy to here. And if this one is 0, then I jump out of it, and if it's not, I can do it again. Let's try that. Is that what they're asking? I genuinely don't understand. Is that where the E comes from? Oh, it looks like it. That one's 0, so should just throw that one out. 7T. Or 8. To go 8, 9. And then it will hit 10, which is 0. Oh, so they're looking at 0s on the floor. Not 0s in the input. I see. Let's try this. Let it go a little faster. Oh, there's so many of them. Is this supposed to say something? Was a? I can't read backwards. Yay! I got it. Except for less commands. Yeah, we failed that one. Speed challenge probably failed that as well. Oh, no. Surprising. String reverse. Oh, no. Oh, boy. String reverse. I am not happy about it. So if you know what a string is, it's like letters, and string reverse is to just reverse the letters. That's what they did here. I can't even read this. How are you today? Ahaha. Okay, now seriously. Okay, for each terminated string, for each zero terminated string, so I'm assuming when they say zero terminated, they mean from the inbox. Reverse it and put the result in the outbox, and repeat. Okay, for each zero terminated string in the inbox, reverse it, and put the results in the outbox. So this one would be WEN, and it would hit 0. We could have a counter. I think having a counter would be good. I guess that's what 14 is for. So we can put inbox. Copy to that one. Wait, no, that wouldn't work. Because then how many times would you have to copy something? You don't know that. You don't know how many times you have to copy something. So... okay, this one's a little harder than I initially expected. So of course I want to get this. Let me think. Sorry, everyone. I need to think more. My brain is cranking. Wow. So if, let's say you get inbox, when you get a 0, you just get another one, right? And if not, then you can place it somewhere. How do I do this? So if the first one is 0, I'll just jump out. If it's not 0, I can... it's like copy to. Oh, if I do this, hold on, let me run this. Okay, no, that's totally wrong. I was thinking like that. Let's try this. Yes. Okay. And then I can increase this. And if... keep increasing that, yeah. Oh, I gotta loop. I gotta loop it. Oops. And then if this is 0, it should be really like an out here one. But we'll see. Okay, okay, I see, I see. So this is like our counter. So if we get like foot, why does it say foot? Okay, if we get our 4-letter word, in this case, foot, we will simply... So we have a counter now, and then we can go backwards. So we can take... We can take our value. Subtract. Oh. That's not what I wanted. I want to bump that one down. So I need to go get copy from this one. Grab the item from the array, or whatever value that is, and then outbox, then bump that down, and then you just keep going. Keep looping. So if 0, jump here, yes. Keep going, and then you want to loop this again. So you want to loop this until there's none left, I guess. And then you want to go to inbox. Let's try the foot first. Foot you. Interesting choices of words. Oh. So, what's happening is that I'm gonna keep jumping here. If... Huh. How come my inbox is 0 not working? The bump. It jumps back all the way up there. Places that one there. Sure. It's 0. It jumps down there, correct? Where's the copy from? Why is it not copying from the correct one? Oh, because it starts at 0. I think that should fix it. Because I incrementing after. I should increment before. I think. Oh, No, I'm correct. I can just add a minus. It's her. She is her. Oh, I missed one. Okay, there we go. Let's try that. You are her. Go. -1. Oh. So how do I reset it? I just got an achievement that said like, oh, you tried to read a tile that's not there. Let's see. Maybe it is supposed to be like that. It's like... 1. Why is it putting out? Oh, you know what I could have done? I could have did this and then grab the string. Pre-increment, but like pre-increment before you even get the data, because the data is I. The data is... It's still an extra one. There is still an extra one. Like that? Let's try that. I could go if 0. Just jump. Back up. Okay. Okay. Goat. When? Goat. One goat. Do you like goat, chat? Are you one goat? I think this is it, though. Yay! String reverse. Oh boy, that was hard. Wow, really? I actually got this? I got both challenges. This one took a lot out of my brain. Where is Carol? Oh, we're so close to finishing, but I think Okay, I'm gonna finish inventory reports. We're gonna do Where's Carol, and I think I may end the stream there. Inventory check. Accounting verification. Surprise audit. These are a few of my favorite things. So let's get started. Okay, for each thing in the outbox, send... Okay, for each thing in the inbox, send to the outbox the total number of matching items on the floor. Those B. How do you check? Can you compare? So we can do that. How do I check though? How do I compare something? How do I compare a number? Huh? Can I even do that? Yeah, okay. I understand that I don't know what I'm doing. How do I compare it? Do I have to, like, subtract? Is that a thing? Is this like ASCII where each one has a number? And then you compare them by, like, the number. So if I want to do C, I could just go through all of them and subtract. So let's see if, let's say I place C. I place C down here. Yeah, okay, I place C at 15. I can go to... Can I subtract? I can! Hold on, I can subtract the thing. So I'm assuming... Subtract from this value. Because then I want to count this up. And then I want to bump up this value until... Yeah. Bump up that value, and then... How do I do this? I'm trying to visualize it. So I place the thing here. I will subtract the value from this one. So I would go like C minus B. If not, if they are not 0. So if they are the same, that means they are 0. If not 0, I can go back here. Oh, I can go back. Huh. I can go copy from this one. I don't want to change 15. And then... So no, wait. If it's 0, then that means they are the same. So that means I would copy... Oh, I'd still copy from 15, actually. No, I wouldn't copy from 15. I would copy from... Oh, I need another, like, space. So if they are 0, I can... Can I bump up like 16? But there's nothing to bump up. How do I do that? Let's just try this. Let's see. One. Because I need a counter to count how many match, and I need something that will increase the area on the array information, the index. I think that's what it's called, index. I need something. Oh, what if I copy from... Let's see what happens. Okay. So let's copy from 14 first. Ooh, that's not good. Do that first up here, all the way up here. Copy from that one, and then I can copy that to like 16. Let's try this. There we go. Okay, and then I have to just keep going next, so... So I will jump from the copy to... Oh, no! Subtract? Why am I subtracting 14? Wait, inbox. Copy to... Why am I subtracting? Oh, I see. Wait, I know why I'm subtracting. To compare the values. What am I thinking? Okay, it's stuck in this little loop, which is fine. However, I'm getting very close. I'm getting closer. I think I put the loop in the wrong place. That's 1. Oh, I should put if 0, then you bump it. No, this is the index, sorry. Not that one. And if it's not 0, then you copy from 15. I don't need this. If 0, you go back up here. And if not, you jump. Okay, I think I got it. I'm getting closer. But A, those are different. Why did that bump? Why did that bump? That should not have bumped. If 0. Oh. Try that. Let's try this. Oh no, wait, wait, hold on. I need to think. Okay, after subtraction, if 0, you jump here. If not, you jump up. Yeah. I keep forgetting. I don't like how the if statements are written. It's so confusing. Or how the if commands are written. So that one should increase, yeah? Okay, so after I bumped it up, it broke. 'Cause... How come it didn't go back to... You have to do this one again as well. You can't sub with mixed operands, subbing between one letter. Oh, I forgot the copy from. I see. Oops. Copy from. This one should work. There we go. That one should bump that one up. Should bump that one up. Go back there. keep going, okay. This is taking forever. Should be 5. Okay, so if I go take that number and subtract it by 14 or 13, no, 14, 13. Okay, so after like 13 times I loop through this, and I'm not gonna write jump 13 times, because no, I'm not doing that. If I subtract I'm gonna go by. Alright, see you. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. Yep, have a good time zone. Good night, good morning. I don't know, good afternoon, good evening. But thank you for coming. I appreciate it. What the heck do I do? So after I hit 13 bumps, no, 14 bumps. But basically, once this value becomes equal to itself, I need to stop it, but I don't know how. Let's see if... If, I do loop it 13 times. It's just a loop. I know I have to output. So if I go here, I just do everything again. This value becomes 13. I don't know what to do. Let me see. If I look at this animation more, it'll help me think, right? That's how it works. The only way I could... Like, how do I get this value? Or not B, I mean, like, get... I think... 13. I can't subtract these two. Or should I just bump this up 13 times first, and then bump down? I'm thinking about doing that. We'll try that. don't know what to do. So, yeah, we are simply just going to... Can't do that, huh? Okay, I'm so tired, I'm just gonna hard code this. By that I mean... bump it 14 times. This is definitely not correct. Let's try it to see this. There's gotta be a better way. I can't... I wish I could just add 14 in here and count backwards, because I know how many things there are in here. Like, I know the total index. Is anyone still here? Is anyone left? Oh, looks like everyone is gone. It's just me. That's okay. We'll see. Think. Come on. I just need to think. What do I do? Think. I'm so close. Okay. So I have the comparison right. I just don't know when to stop. Oh, you know, I'm gonna do what I initially thought of. I'm just gonna bump this 14 times. 1. Can I add? Is that a thing? Can I do that? Yeah, okay, I can't add. I can't add anything. And this is how you hard code. So this is the meaning of hard code, is where you force something to do what you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's try this again. So we should get it as 13, and lovely, we get this. that one. Bump down 14. So, since that one's 13, I should go like that, right? Yeah, let's try that. Oh, well, let's try it. Well, that's not working. 16's not bumping up, so if... Oh, I see. There we go. Let's try that. And then if I go... If this is 0, then we can exit out. We can copy from... Copy from that, and then output that. And then we just simply loop everything again. Okay. I have B. Oh, I should start comparing first. What? I can't, like, pause it? Okay, here we are. So we copy 215. We subtract from that. If that's 0, then we... If that's 0, then we go here and we can... Oh, no. Go here. And if this one is 0, then we jump here. We'll try that. That looks fine. Totally normal. Going? The X? I swear, like, normal coding is not this hard. I outboxed wrong one. Shouldn't it have copied from... Oh, I see what happened. Okay. We got it though. Just don't mind all of these. Everything is normal. There we go. This is gonna work. It's done terribly. If you're actually learning or trying to learn like coding concepts, don't do this. Oh, how did I get a -1? So I have 0. Okay. Then we can copy from sub. Is this not correct? I totally thought this was correct. So if this is not, can we do this? Why is it not going though? If I bump, right, negative bump 14. Why is it when this one doesn't increase or 16 doesn't increase? Oh, because you're not comparing that. So I go copy from this one. If 0, jump out as well. Try this. I have it going so fast. Can't see what's going on. What? Why is it 0? Oh. One small little move. I even added it there, but I just didn't. I forgot to switch the two things. Alright. Please don't mess up this time. I feel like I'm so close. 4. 1, 2. Oh, if it's 0. So I can't. If it's 0, I still need to check. Huh. Huh. Minecraft villager. Meh. So let's say I subtract that. That's not 0. I keep going. Copy from. Bump that down. Okay. The issue comes from this section. I feel like I'm just so close. So if it's still 0... So it's fine. It goes to 1 and I don't... I'm trying to think. So it goes to 0. It is not comparing the first one. Because it's going to 0 and jumping out. So I could do that. If this is 0, I could... Oh, oops. Well, no, then it might compare it twice. Oh, cancel, cancel. Nope. Okay. What? Oh. Let's see if that breaks it. It probably will. You're just not seeing something. Oh, sorry, sub 14. I'm sorry, sub 14, my bad. Well, I mean, this one doesn't matter. Hello, thank you for the follow! I'm currently suffering right now, and you raided. Oh, it's Jams. Hello, thank you for the raid. Hold on, let me shout you out. Oh, I just hit my follower goal. Thank you, everyone. Hey. I'm currently suffering and I don't know what to do and I'm really tired. So after this puzzle, I might head out. You love this game. This game is making me rage slightly. Okay. I gotta play this game. I don't know if you want to play this game. Okay. I mean, if you want to see how much hard coding I've done, or hard commands, I guess it's not really coding. Here it is. There's no, like, add button. I can't add 13 times. So instead, I just bumped it up 13 times. I can't, like, plus 13. Nice bumps, exactly. And I'm stuck. I'm very much stuck on something. So if this is 0, then it goes all the way down here, and I still need to compare it. But if it's... And if this is 0, then it will just bump that. So when this is 0, we just compare it one last time, and then we outbox. What is this for? Okay, I don't need that. I don't think I need this anymore. This is my last puzzle. I did, like, the first puzzle took me, like, 50 minutes. Almost, no, more than an hour. Like an hour or so. Like 50 to 70 minutes. You can't sub with mixed operands. Then what am I doing here? I am subbing with mixed operands. What do you mean? Subtract. If I subtract this, and if it's 0, Okay, okay. This is too hard for me. It is honestly too hard for me as well. There's a sequel. I need to get to trying around the sequel. I didn't know there's a sequel. There's a sequel? Dang. I will not be playing the sequel. I'm losing my mind right now. 7 billion humans. It's more parallel programming. I'm not sure. Oh, interesting. Well, if it is, I'm not doing it. So in terms of like actual programming, my first real language is C++, and why is this harder than C++? I think this one's supposed to more so replicate like machine learning. Maybe that's why, because C++ is a higher level. This guy's assembly, yeah. So this is why, because C++ is a higher level language. But still, why is this so hard? Oh wait, I forgot to introduce myself for the raid. My bad. So, thank you for raiding. Hi, I'm Blueberry. I'm a failed engineer VTuber. I like playing puzzle games, although sometimes they make me angry, management games, and honestly, anything that's cute I enjoy. I stream on Twitch and YouTube, and yeah, that's me. And thank you for the follow. Alright. Oh, and if you just finish streaming, make sure to get hydrated if you need to sleep, then sleeping is good. So feel free to take care of yourself after Jam's stream. Yo, I like cute things. I love cute things. Honestly, cute puzzle games, they're the ones that make me rage the most. But why do I always keep playing them? Who knows? I have a loose screw in my brain. Okay, you know, I'm thinking about redoing this entire thing. Because clearly it's not working. Okay, what if I bump afterwards? If this is 0, if I subtract, then it will go down here, do that, and bump afterwards. And if it's not 0, if it's not the same, so I'm subtracting them to compare the value. So like b minus b, I guess. And if it's the same, it should equal 0. When I jump here, I will increase the counter for the same amount of letters, and then I will decrease this. Right? I think that works. But I did that earlier, and I have issues with this, because it is bumping down my zero already. But if this is 0, then I can't compare. So I need to get rid of that. Let's try what I originally had earlier, and I know it's gonna not work. I'm too small brain. I too am the small brain. Let's see. So this is fine until it gets to the... Let's see if I can stop it, like close to it. You're big brain for understanding this. Well, you see, that's the thing. I don't understand this, and it's not working. Okay, bump that. We have 2. So here's where the issue comes from. It jumps out too soon. Okay, I need to get rid of that. But then I find that for later ones, I have problem with it reading the 0. That's fine. Let's wait for a little. Okay, you have 1. And then jumps back here. Which is fine. And then it jumps back up again. So this is where the issue comes from. I could do... So we have... I could do if negative, go to my output. Let's try that. Let's try that. Oops. I really hate how I have 13 bumps there. It just, like, I know that is such bad practice. But, my brain is too dead to think of any other solution. Yeah, okay. So if that one is also negative, we can jump out of that. What's the goal in this one again? This one is to, like, match. So for each thing in the inbox, so you get, like, A, you want to send the outbox the total number of matching items on the floor. So let's say A, I have to send it 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to send it the number 4 into the outbox, which doesn't sound very hard. But it is. Okay. Because I have to go through this vector or array and match them. Oh, okay, I'm certain it's easy for some people. Not for me, though. Wait, if it's negative... Why are you not jumping out of the thing? Numbers, yes, nods. Honestly, sometimes I just do that. If it's negative, it should just jump out. But why is it going all the way back up here? Like, I don't see why. It's not reading. Or maybe I have to copy 2. And I can copy 2. Let's try that. Okay, that's not right. Copy 2. Why is it copying the other one? Yes, you already copied from 15 before checking negative. Oh, right, okay. Thank you, thank you. Oh yeah, by the way, even though it says, like, don't backseat game me and my rules, when it comes to puzzle games, and I've been stuck on it for, like, more than 10 minutes, feel free to backseat game me. That's okay. It's more like so for other types of games. That's a general rule for me. Okay. Copied 15. Oh, yeah, I see. Because I was grabbing A and then comparing if it were negative, but... Oh, no. But then if it is negative, then I have to add. Honestly, no clue. I'm so tired. Me as well. I've had a long day. I will need to bump this one more time. Oh. Okay. 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 Is this it? Is this the time we get it? Do we get it this time? I think we do get it this time. Although, I have it running a little too fast, but I can run it faster. Too fast where I can't see, but maybe that's better. That way I can't see my mistakes. Oh boy! I will not pass any of these. 32 lines. Oh yeah! 444 steps. Alright, I think... the next time I'll stream this, hopefully I can finish. I think I'm gonna end here and I'm gonna save this little coffee break cutscene, and I refuse to do these. I think for the sake of my sanity, I am not gonna do these path sides, or these side ones that are not part of the main story, kind of. Nope, nope, nope. I'm not doing that to myself. Oh. Hold on. Oh, I guess I'm gonna say my closing statements, and I will raid someone after, so if you would like to stick around for a little bit. But yeah, thank you everyone who came, and thank you everyone who raided. Thank you Jams, thank you Zell, and thank you Pudding and Pop. I appreciate it. And thank you to everyone on the YouTube side, if you stayed, or for leaving a like if you had to go. Thank you, I appreciate you. For any chatters, any lurkers, and same thing with Twitch. Well, now that I've reminded, I'll have to play this game again. Yes, this game is fun, but it's so frustrating at the same time. But I feel like that's all of puzzle games. That's all puzzle games. But yeah, thank you everyone. So, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, thanks for following and subscribing. If you like to subscribe and follow, please consider it. I don't know who to raid. Do you guys want to watch any particular game? Everyone I am following right now is not currently streaming. So if you have any particular game request or any particular like VTuber you would like to raid, feel free to tell me. Or else I shall just close my eyes and pick someone from the raid channel. Yeah, I had a lot of fun playing this game, even though I did internally scream inside multiple times. But it's okay. It's fine, I just have to breathe. You wanna, like... Too late on a Monday for me. I need 2 sleeps. Alright, no problem. Have a nice sleep. Most of my friends are 18+ channels. 18+ channels are okay. As long as chat's okay. Like, I don't mind rating 18+ channels. Let's see. Or any games you want to watch in particular. When I open, like, the stream thing where it says you can find, like, channels. Want to watch League? There's a lot of people playing League. Or you want to watch Alien Isolation, Queen. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I shall search up that person's name. Queen Rihania? Rahan? Yeah. Call of Duty. Sure, I can raid them. Not a problem with me. Alright, we shall raid her. And as I normally do, I also put it in YouTube chat. I don't think anyone's watching me on YouTube at the moment, but that's totally fine. And I have a little raid message here. Oh, yeah, that'll be my raid message. Okay. Welcome to Twitch. I was originally a YouTube streamer, but ever since they allowed dual stream, I started streaming on Twitch as well. But yeah, so the raid shall be in like 10 seconds. So I'm gonna have this ending screen. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey.